Hi, my name is John. I'm a mechanic here at Performance Bicycle. There are a ton of computers out there, and some have only the basic features like speed, time, and distance, while others are much more elaborate and have features like cadence, heart rate, altitude, power output, and the ability to download all your training data to your home computer. I'm going to show you the basics of setting up your computer. These are steps that apply to the vast majority of computers, and if you keep these steps in mind, you'll avoid the most common pitfalls. However, because of the many types of computers, you must read and follow your computer's instruction manual. Now on to the fun. Step 1, read the instructions. Install the handlebar mount. Install the wired fork blade pickup or the wireless transmitter. For wired computers, route wires so they do not contact moving parts such as wheels or rub on the frame. Do this by looping the wire around the front brake cable housing. For wireless computers, the transmitter should be within 1 to 2 feet of the computer and in a direct line of sight of the computer. Install the spoke magnet. It should be between 1 to 3 millimeters of the pickup or transmitter and aligned with the guideline. Calibrate the computer for your wheel size by following the specific instructions with your computer. Every computer is a little different. Test the computer. A vigorous spin of the wheel should register about 10 miles per hour or 16 kilometers per hour. What if you've read and followed your instructions, you've sat through this video, and your computer's still not working? Let's try a little troubleshooting. If your computer does not display speed or distance information, but the computer scrolls through other functions, first check the alignment of the pickup or transmitter and the magnet. It should be between 1 to 3 millimeters and aligned with the guideline. Ensure that the computer is fully snapped into the handlebar mount. Check electrical contacts on the handlebar mount and computer. For wireless computers, check the battery and the contacts in the transmitter. If there's no display on the computer, check the computer battery and the battery contacts. If you have incorrect speed and distance information, the magnet could be misaligned or too far from the pickup or transmitter. Also, check if the wheel calibration was entered incorrectly.